Yeah, hi guys. Today I'm going to teach you the song Bhigi Bhigi. At first, I'm going to explain you the scale. The song is in E flat minor. I'm going to tell you the key signatures: E flat, F sharp, A flat, B flat, B, C sharp, and E flat is the octave key. And the notation is Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. And the fingers are 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then reverse 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. In the left hand, the chord E flat minor with a combination of keys E flat, F sharp, and B flat. So this is the E flat minor, and you can start with right hand. Then the next chord for the left hand is B, E flat, and F sharp. It's a B chord, and the fingers are 4, 2, and 1. And the next chord in the left hand is C sharp, F, and A flat. It's a C sharp major chord, and the finger is 5 to 1. And in the right hand, again come back to the E flat minor. Once again we'll play. We'll take the next one. Okay, that will play with the chord. Again E flat minor, here the next chord is B flat minor. So the keys are C sharp, F, and B flat. Then we'll go back to the C sharp major chord, Then we'll take the B chord. We'll play again. We'll take the next line. We'll play with the chord. So here is the F sharp chord. The keys are C sharp, F sharp and B flat. Then we'll take the A flat chord. The keys are E flat, A flat and B. Then C sharp. You know already the C sharp, F and A flat is the keys. Then B chord. We'll play once again. Now we'll play the next line. We will play with the chords. Now you know almost all the chords of the song now. E flat, E flat minor, then A flat minor, then C sharp, we'll play again. Guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. I have just shown simple chord progressions in this tutorial, which will be easy for you to learn. And if you have liked the tutorial, please share with your friends and please subscribe. Thank you.